already know this kid is good, bro. I already know. Like whatever he sends me at this point, I know that shit is gonna be fire. So even reacting to his music now at this point is kind of useless because I know he's fucking dope. You know what I'm saying? But let's do it. Let's do it. He sent me this thing earlier on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, we are Assam.
4 days and sort of damn now a nigga back fucking shit up. Okay. And I swear to God, I can never stop. I put in that work, applying that pressure on P. TMBT, they was sleeping on me, now I'm up. They say they believing in me. Swear to God, this one for the kids in the streets. I got a whole lot of flows, I'm a beast.
Hold on. Let me show the boy on screen. Chat. You know, no, it's not that one. Exactly, it's a different nigga. Let me show this boy dropped a mixtape, chat, like called the Gemini EP. His mixtape is called the Gemini EP. Right? This is the kid I'm talking about. I don't know why he dropped it separate. He just dropped visuals, 2 visuals, one for I'm Not Alone and another one for Don't Forget to Pray. Okay, that's the boy. If you wanna follow, he's tough. But he's tough. He's definitely tough. But let's.
I don't really believe that it's me. In it shit till I go DIE. Might drop a bag and go MIA. I got the haters, they call me my way. When I get rich, fly the fan to LA. I drop a hit, then I'm saving a day. Yeah. TMBT, next big thing. Man, I swear to God, I can't ever stop. They want me to fall, but I can't fall. I can't ever quit. This shit is my calling, baby.
Say my dog, latest artist in South Africa, on the cut right now. I just want to say good luck for today, bro. They're going to performing today. This is what you work for your whole life, Sean. I know how much you appreciate and you love performing.
Jump on stage, then I kill it. Gotta buckle up, taking off in a minute. After the show, I go back to the stool. Fuck up a beat like it's sex in the booth. I'm getting litty. Your girl on my phone tryna give me panini. I was in CPT representing the city. TMBT and you gotta believe it, oh Diddy. Wake up in the morning, dream chasing, I focus. These niggas, they ops hating on us, tryna come smoke us.
There's nothing I hate more than that flow. That flow, I hate it. I hate that flow. Like, cool. Better change it, boy.
Mini, money mode, trapping at the show, bitch, I'm on God mode. Yeah, I'm moving God speed, man, I'm running like an athlete. On the highway, going top speed, smoking weed in the backseat. Pen and paper, then I write what I want. I hear him call my name everywhere.
So, make sure that you have fun, This is a reminder of what's to come. If you stay consistent, it's all about staying consistent. Just keep doing it over and over and over again. Then eventually they will have no choice but to see you, bruh. I'm the most consistent person that I know. Even I get inspired sometimes, but you, again, is on the grind. Keep going, bro. I don't know how much power you have. I don't know if you know how much power you have, but you have a lot of power because you are one of the people that is very consistent, and most people lack glory.
Okay. It's my man. Tag. It's my man. Voice note here. Nancy. He's kuzoba kwenye ngoma. Just the voice note. Tag.